Hello, I'm here with Felix from Cigna, who's the business development consultant for Cigna in individual business, here at the second event for big brokers. You were here last year already, Felix. What can you tell us from last year and what do you expect to see this year?
Yeah, so last year it has been a great event, and I think this kind of events gives a good platform for brokers to meet, to actually learn about the specific market of IPMI, because usually they are like serving or looking into a lot of different kind of insurances and are not that specialized in that kind of products. So this event actually gives them the opportunity to learn more about IPMI, this particular niche, the products, so they are prepared to actually present this to their clients, to other brokers, and this event gives a good platform to connect, to network with each other. It brings together brokers and insurers, and I think that's a good way to connect about the topic IPMI, to exchange ideas and to get a good grip what's going on in the market.
Fantastic, fantastic. And I think it also gives the brokers a chance to touch with their hands the products that we're actually offering. So thanks again, Felix. Can I ask you a question? What do you think it brings for the brokers and the agents and the agencies who are attending the event?
Yeah, first, it gives them a platform to actually connect with each other, and then they are with so many different topics in their daily business. They have the opportunity to learn more about the niche that we are in, IPMI, and with a specialized company like big brokers that actually can provide them insight into that topic, to actually bring this topic a little bit back to their minds and to prepare them to connect or to bring that topic to their clients.
Thanks again, Felix. Can you tell us a bit more about Cigna? What is important for the client to know in this case?
So Cigna is an international business, so we have a history of more than 230 years already. We have 72,000 employees that work in healthcare only, so Cigna Healthcare is just about healthcare business, health insurance. And we have more than 170 million clients worldwide that we serve. And we have a revenue of 195 billion last year, which makes us on the Fortune 500 list number 15. And on this basis, we provide individual products to more than 45,000 clients worldwide.
Jesus, quite some impressive numbers, and that's one of the reasons why we at Big Brokers have Cigna as a partner. Thanks again, Felix. Is there any chance you can tell us something about a nice customer experience?
Yeah, actually I can. So maybe just some actual numbers from this year. So year to date, our average claim turnaround time is below 2 days. Our answering time for the phone is like 15 seconds. But when I'm asked that question, actually there's a nice and impressive story of a client that we had. So the client, he has been in South America, and he has been diagnosed with cognitive heart disease. And so he joined our clinical management, our clinical team that is actually part of our holistic health approach, and the team supported the client in planning the treatment, in getting concerns solved from him, from his family. And the disease was quite complicated, so the family had some concerns because the treatment plan included a heart transplant. So we organized for the client to join our second opinion management. We moved the client to a specialist in Europe, in Central Europe, I think it was Switzerland. The client went to Switzerland and then had treatment there, or he progressively improved the situation, with the result that actually a heart transplant was not necessary for that client. So we managed through our holistic approach to get a second opinion for that client and less aggressive approach that actually helped the client to manage his health without the transplant in the end.
Well, that's fantastic. That's exactly the reason why we sell these kind of products, because they do provide very professional knowledge and they do look after the client, what matters in the end. Thanks again, Felix.
Thank you.
Tell us the reason. Why should people choose Cigna?
So Cigna is a global company with a history of more than 230 years. We are dedicated to health solutions only, so it's what we do day in, day out. The client is at the center of everything we do. We have a holistic approach for the client, and we do everything to serve our clients worldwide and provide the best health solutions for them. And I think that's a good reason to be with us.
That's fantastic, and that's the reason exactly that any client can choose whatever clinic they want, no matter what. And that's one of the reasons, the main reason probably, why we actually offer Cigna here at Big Brokers.